Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing the core libraries. Use pip or conda to get NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and networks. Once done, load your data into a Pandas data frame and inspect head, shape, and dtypes so you know what you have. Then decide which plot type fits your question. For trends, use line. For distributions, use histogram or box plot. And for relationships, use scatter or network diagrams. Make sure to handle missing values early so plots represent the data accurately. You now construct the plot. Map data frame columns to X and Y, set axis labels and a concise title, and include a legend with units. Then refine aesthetics, pick a color palette, marker size and alpha, use CMap for continuous data, and set figure size to match your output. When data is noisy, group by categories, use pivot table or rolling windows, and aggregate with mean or median. These choices improve readability and ensure viewers see the real pattern without clutter. Finish by exporting your visual. Save fig with appropriate DPI and bbox inches equals tight, and choose PNG for raster or SVG/PDF for vector. Then annotate important values with text or arrows, and highlight ranges with axspan or fill between to guide interpretation. If something goes wrong, check for overlapping labels, incorrect dtypes, or forgotten imports. Restart the kernel and rerun cells stepwise to isolate errors. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.